What is going on, guys? Josh White here, and you're watching another video with the JDub twins. So I'm gonna get right to it. I got the Performance Pack 2 splitter on my car. I've been wanting to do it for a while, but I couldn't find one for a decent price online. I could have got one brand new for like $600, but I was able to look around on the Mustang 6G forum and get this one used for $325. To install it costs around $295. So I was able to get one and get it installed for the same price as buying a new one. This is what it looks like. Love the way it looks. Looks very aggressive. So as you can see, it's still got the Performance Pack 1 look with the spoiler, but then also has like those Performance Pack 2 notes with the splitter. And some people say that my rims actually look like the Performance Pack 2 rims, but they are not. They're the Project 6 GR rims. And let me not get ran over here by a car. But yeah, she looks good. I don't know, I just really wanted to get that OEM look with this splitter, because they do make some that are less expensive, but I've heard some people say that it's fallen off because it only takes like maybe 4 screws to put it on and then some like 3M tape. But this, I think the Ford technician said it took 42 different pieces of hardware to include screws, rivets, and push pins to get this thing installed. So I just have more confidence that this thing is gonna stay on for a while versus if I got one aftermarket. But yep, here she is. Just wanted y'all to see how she's coming along. This is probably gonna be one of the last modifications I do with this car for a while. I did get some side scoops, but I'm not sure, something was off with the paint, so I didn't install them. I'm gonna see if they can repaint them, which would actually be the second time getting them repainted, because the first time the color was off, but this time it looks like there's something wrong with the clear coat, so we'll figure it out. And yeah, get those bad boys installed at some point. But yeah, man, just this lower chin splitter just looks awesome. Very happy with it. Recommend that anyone with the Mustang get it. I don't care if you have the Mustang GT, the EcoBoost. But actually, in order to get the Performance Pack 2 chin splitter installed, you have to have the Performance Pack 1 chin spoiler. And so it is different. Like this initial spoiler is different from the base model GT. It's a little bit longer, and it has the base on the bottom to be able to mount the Performance Pack 2 splitter, so keep that in mind. So I actually don't believe, unless you have the Mustang GT Performance Pack 1, you cannot get the Performance Pack 2 splitter installed. I might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's the case. But anyways, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next JDub Twins episode. And please, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. And stay tuned for more content coming your way. All right, thanks guys. Bye.